Good morning, brothers and sisters. We are now in the 30th Sunday in Ordinary Time. Our theme this Sunday is humility in approaching the Lord. We know that it is only in humility that we can truly approach the Lord. And humility teaches us that we have a merciful and forgiving God. Kaya nga po tayo nagdarasal at lumalapit sa Diyos sapagkat po kinikilala natin na mayroon tayong maawain at mapagpatawad na Diyos. Kaya po sa ating paglapit sa Kanya sa ating mga panalangin, tinuturuan tayo ng kahalagahan ng pagkakaroon ng kababaang loob, humility in approaching the Lord. And what does humility in approaching the Lord teach us? Allow me to share with you 3 points. Humility in approaching the Lord teaches us that we are all in need of God. This point tells us that we are all beggars before the Lord. We cannot boast about anything to the Lord. We know that everything comes from Him. We are neither self-made nor self-sufficient. Ano man tayo o kung sino man tayo, lahat tayo ay may pangangailangan at ang mga pangangailangan natin ay manggagaling sa Diyos. Pangalawang punto, humility in approaching the Lord teaches us to put or place our confidence in the Lord. St. Paul in our second reading today teaches us that righteousness or self-righteousness comes from the Lord. It is the Lord who gives righteousness not only to himself, not only to Paul, but to all who acknowledge the Lord. Kaya po ang pagkakaroon ng kababaang loob, ang ibig sabihin nito ay mananampalataya tayo sa Diyos na siyang unang nagtiwala sa ating kakayanan. And so self or confidence in the Lord teaches us that we believe in God who first believes in our capacity. Kaya magtitiwala tayo sa ating kakayanan, hindi para ipagmayabang, hindi para maging hambog, pero yung magtitiwala tayo sa ating kakayanan sapagkat ang Diyos ang unang nagtiwala sa ating kakayanan. Third and last point, humility in approaching the Lord teaches us to acknowledge our sinfulness and allow ourselves to be transformed by our encounter with the Lord. Yes, my dear brothers and sisters, humility teaches us that we are all weak sinners. Pero hindi po nagtatapos sa sapagkat ako'y mahina lamang. But humility in approaching the Lord is also embracing the truth that God can change us, that we are all created by God good, and so God can transform us and make us good. Kaya po ang pagpapakumbaba o pagkakaroon ng kababaan ng loob ay paalala din sa atin, mayroon tayong mga kamalian. We have made mistakes, we have committed wrongs in our past, or we even have a shameful past. But the Lord in our humility tells us that we are never defined by our mistakes, but by our courage and capacity to embrace that God can transform us, can make us good. My dear brothers and sisters, when we approach the Lord, may we have the humility to go to Him. And this humility tells us to acknowledge that we are all beggars before the Lord, that we have to place our confidence in God, and acknowledge that we are all sinners, willing to be transformed by our encounter with the Lord. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat, and a blessed Sunday to all of you. God bless.